Hey guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be making some busy hairstyles. So tie the hairs like this, join them on the sides using the rubber bands, fix it, tie all of them together, make the plaits and fold it, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will tie the hairs like this, rotate it. Now fix this beautiful hair accessory on the hairs. Fix the ribbon by making the plaits, join it on the back, rotate it, divide it into two parts, make the plaits and fix it. And it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides like this and join it together on the back. Keep following the same step till the end and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, divide the hairs into small parts, join them like this and fix it on the left side altogether. After that, we will tie all the hairs together, make a ponytail, fix this bun stick on the hairs, rotate it like this, fix it and it's ready. Next, make the plaits on the sides. Now we will join them together on the back. First, we will tie the ponytail, fold it and make a bun using this hairstyling tool. Spread the hairs. Now we will take the hairs from the sides, make the plaits and join them together on the top and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs into three parts, make the plaits on the lower part, fix it on the sides. Now make the bun on the sides by using this hairstyling tool, roll it and spread the hairs, fix it properly and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching.